Hello YouTube, I'm Pippin Gun Crazy. I'm going to be taking a little break from some of the normal videos that I'll put out to address something that has come to my attention. Okay, so 2012, that is the prophesized ending of the world, right? December 21st, 2012. Now, this has been, you know, discussed for many, many centuries already. Nostradamus made a prediction, I believe, of 2012. Then we have the Mayan calendar, which long count ends on the year 2012, December 21st, and it's worth, many, many descriptions and discussions on YouTube. So this is supposed to be the prophesized, cataclysmic event, the end of days, or what have you. But we can also take a look back somebody further than Mayan civilization, which is the Sumerians. Now, the Sumerians, which are described as being the world's first, great civilization, they, in some of their hieroglyphs, describe this planet Nibiru, or what we call as, or what lots of the asses call, Planet X. Nibiru means planet of crossing, or planet in the crossing, or what have you. Which is on an elliptical 3,600 year orbit. It goes far out into space, and it comes back in and goes between like Mars and the Sun. And this is either like a gassy giant like Jupiter, or it's a brown dwarf, which is like a very small cool star. And now the people who apparently live on this Nibiru, or whatever, the Anunnakis, this reptilian race of shape-shifting baby eaters or what have you, people that descended from heaven to earth, that's what Anunnaki means roughly. So what the Sumerians said is that this Nibiru comes and it crosses our earth, and this is supposed to make a lot of terrible things happen. Earthquakes and hurricanes and tsunamis and famine, and the poles, the north and south poles, will switch. All right, so in a week, when it comes really close to us for that week of crossing, our planet stops turning. It stops its orbit, and we wait. Okay, so then 90% of the world's supposed to die off, and fresh start, but it's a struggle to survive and all that jazz. My one question, I have an open mind, and I, enjoy losing myself into my own imagination and whatnot, just as much as the next person. However, we have within, recent history, the last crossing of Planet X, of Nibiru, because in the year 1588 BC, that's when this planet should have come around and, said hello to us, right? But I've just done a little bit of looking around, poking around on the internet for the 1588 BC. There's nothing on YouTube, and I did not find anything on Google that will directly say that, there was this massive, cataclysmic events that happened in that year. All I'm saying here, people, conspiracy theorists and all that jazz, is that, if this planet, this Nibiru, is going to do so much damage coming around this time in the year 2012, why didn't it do that last time? In 1588 BC, when it should have done its little thing, why weren't 90% of the world's population killed off then? How come there's no records of massive cataclysmic events, earthquakes, and mile-high tsunamis, and class 11 hurricanes, or whatever you want to do? Like, all I'm saying is, if this is going to be such a big deal, how come there's nothing about this? The last time it came around, it's just the Egyptians were there. I don't see any evidence that suggested there was terrible cataclysmic events there in the year 1588 BC. That's all I'm saying. You respond to this. I would love it if you would to respond to my video and tell me, maybe you know of some things that I don't know. So please tell me. Thank you.